Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate and use your clipboard for the keyboard on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s. So to do this, you need to go to any app that allows your keyboard to pop up. For example, messages here, start chat, and as you can see the keyboard just popped up, and we're gonna press the clipboard icon, which is located right here. Now turn on the clipboard, and from here you can paste everything you actually added to your clipboard. You can also press edit and delete any of these like this, and you can also of course add the things to your clipboard. For example, here I'm gonna use the word elephant, but keep in mind you can also do it with the full sentences. Now I'm gonna hold my finger onto the word I want to copy, press copy, go to clipboard, and from here I have the word that I just wrote. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.